Hi teacher, for this homework I'll talk about how to assemble our clarinet. So, first, as we know, there are 5 parts of our clarinet. First, this is the mouthpiece, and what on it? This one is called ligature, and this is the reeds. And make sure our reeds is already wet when we assemble our clarinet. And second, this is the barrel. This one. This part is the upper section. And this is the lower section. And finally, this is the bell. So to assemble our clarinet, what we need to do first is connect our mouthpiece with the barrel. We grab both parts and connect it. And what we need to do for the mouthpiece, reds, and ligature, as I said before, make sure our reds is already wet and put the reds onto the mouthpiece. You can see this part of mouthpiece. We put the reds onto this part like this. And make sure this side of the mouthpiece, I can't touch it because it's really easy to broke. So it should be a little bit lower than this side of the mouthpiece. And like this, just a little bit lower. And then put our ligature onto the mouthpiece. And that's how it looked like. It's here. And that's it. Next, take our upper section and the lower section. So for these two parts, how we connect it? First, grab our higher section. Sorry about that. Upper section like this, just this part, because we don't want to break this kind of key. And for the lower section, we grab it like this. And then connect it. Make sure our this place, you can see these two things is connect. And then connect the lower section with the bell. You can do it like this. Yeah, that's it. So finally, connect our barrel with the upper section. And make sure our mouthpiece, this side, which with the reeds, this side, and this key, this hole, and these more things. these three things is on one line. Oh, I don't know how to show it to you. Like this. So to this step, sorry about that. We need to hold our clarinet like this because we don't want to break our clarinet. So to this step, we finish assemble our clarinet. So then what I need to do is to play the 5 note from G to C. So first G. Just we don't need to cover any hole. And then if we need to cover this hole, only this one, this is F. And then E, we need thumb and first finger. And then D, we need thumb, 1, 2. And finally, the C, we need thumb, 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Thanks for watching.